Hello and welcome. Let's have a look at what you should know before taking this course. You should have a basic working knowledge of a computer, so you should know your way around a computer. You should have internet access and also know how to navigate around the internet. You should have basic programming concept knowledge. This will help, but it is not mandatory. The course is easy enough for you to follow along without it. The most important thing is to have the desire to learn. Who should take this course? This course is primarily designed for anyone who is absolutely new to C# or has got very basic knowledge to C# programming language. It also will help anyone who's aspiring to become a programmer or a developer. What will you learn on this course? This course is packed with tons of projects that I will walk you through step by step. We'll begin by downloading and installing Visual Studio. Visual Studio is known as an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is the environment we will use to develop our projects. It contains all the tools you will need to be creative developing C# based projects. So you learn how to build 17 C# projects. I'll walk you through them step by step, and by the end of the course you should have picked up some skills that will enable you to be more creative with C#. So you learn how to work with forms. You will also learn how to use the tools within Visual Studio to simplify your development. So you understand and create variables. You'll learn how to use data types, arithmetic operators like add, subtraction, multiplication. You learn how to use conditional statements. Sometimes when you write code, you don't want the code to run every time. So you write conditions under which certain codes will run. The types of conditional statement we're going to be looking at mainly are if statements and else statements. Also, we'll be looking at method. A method is like a function. It is what gives the application the instructions on what to do. We're also going to be creating things like event handler methods. An event is something that occurs within an application. For an example, a mouse click or a button click is known as an event. So when an event occurs within an application, there has to be a corresponding event handler method that will respond to that event. So we'll be creating a few of these in this course. We'll also be using the various tools within Visual Studios, various control tools. We'll be looking at adding things like buttons, forms, panels, table panels, and so on. There are lots and lots of tools within Visual Studio that we will be incorporating into our projects. The course format and duration. The course is video based and it is 8.5 hours long. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to welcoming you on the course. Bye for now.